Today I'm going to show you how to make salmon. First I'm going to try the salmon. Wow, that's amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking for Kids TV, and my name is Chef Ethan. Today I'm going to show you how to make salmon. And also, here's what you need. Salmon, obviously, butter, salt mixed up with pepper, oregano, and rosemary. And here's what you do. You grab your piece of salmon, and also before and after wash your hands, okay? So here's what you do. First add a little bit of butter. There we go. Then put salt and pepper on it mixed. Then all you need is rosemary. Boom. And then all you need is oregano. Or you could add all the spices you like. Boom. Then all you need to do is wrap it up like this. First, go with this side, then this side, like this, then this side. This is my favorite part. Curling it up inside. First one, and put on the pan. Second one, this one's a little bigger. Then, and boom, all you need to do is add a pinch, because last time I put the whole thing, but I can't because that's not part of the recipe. Boom. Then all you need to do is add the oregano. Boom. Then you need is add rosemary. And boom, all you need to do is do the same thing. And also, here's the key of making it like tasty. Give it some room to breathe. Not like leave it open, no. I mean like curl it up, but leave some room. Not like let it breathe. Like shut it down, no holes or any of that. Boom. There you go. And preheat the oven for 12 through 15 minutes. I'm gonna put 14 minutes. So I'm gonna go do that. Open carefully so steam doesn't hurt you. Like it just did to me. You can make with rice or any other stuff. And here I'm gonna make a castle. Aha! Castle. Now I'm gonna place this carefully so it doesn't rip. Right here. Looks so good, I wanna eat it. Second one. Hey guys, now the salmon is done. You could add it with rice, salad, or veggies, but I'm gonna add it with rice, my favorite. First, I'm gonna try the salmon. Wow, that's amazing. That is completely, like, outstanding. Like, I love the texture. The rosemary brings amazing flavor to it, and I'm gonna try the rice. If you want to learn how to make rice, watch my next video. I'm gonna try the rice. The rice also has some flavor too. Should I try the salmon with the Boom. And then I really don't want to destroy the castle, but I have to. It's for the viewers. Boom. Boom. Rice with salmon. Wow, combination is like outstanding. It tastes like it's delicious. It's amazing. You should eat salmon for you because it's healthy for you, and salmon is a good fish. Amazing fish. Outstanding fish. All three of those words, including rice, is amazing. I like the salmon. And also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get notified on all the videos we do. Bye. Love you, viewers. Mwah. Mwah. Wow, this is fantastic. I'm Gordon Ramsay, if you don't know. And this tastes amazing. Let me taste. That tastes really good. Amazing. Now I'm going to try the salmon. Outstanding, amazing, and it has a great texture. The texture is amazing. Here's what you need. Salmon, obviously. Butter, salt mixed up with pepper, oregano, and rosemary.